magnificent race which started on the 20th of October 1934 from the then newly finished Havilland in Shuttleworth, was arranged for two reasons. To reach Melbourne within 16 calendar days. The next element of success was in a bespoke design with the best possible balance of high speed and long range. This was the result, but in an extraordinarily compressed timescale. The go-ahead to design what became the DH-88 was given by de Havilland in January 1934. The race, as I said, was to start that October, and de Havilland was very busy that year. Also saw the main flat lane, factory airfield and Edgware in North London. But against all that, it felt that publicity from a win would outweigh all the effort and expertise. 3 Comets were built for that race. They sold for £5,000 each, and the first of them took to the air for the first time just 6 weeks before the race began. Miraculously, all 3 Comets were ready for the race. In total, more than 60 aircraft. Grosvenor House Hotel wound up the winner. Passengers and would, as things turned out, prove to be rather more of a portent for the future of long-distance air travel than anything like the Comet. But nonetheless, Britain had won a famous victory and a £10,000 speed prize to go with it. Australia taking 70 hours, 54 minutes and 18 seconds. Hours, 24 minutes and 13 seconds. And you compare that with today in a typical commercial airline. cockpit of the Comet as a means of communication during the flight. This is a tricky aeroplane to handle on the ground, and that was a beautiful demonstration of how to do so by Jean-Michel Munn in the DH-88 Comet.